exotic bird look. This is the finished product. I hope that you guys like it. I hope that you guys stay tuned for the tutorial and learn how to get this look. And so let's get started. Everyone, okay, prior to filming I went ahead and just put powder all over my face, and I used a primer on my eyelids and I fanned it out over to the side because we will be applying eyeshadow all along the eyes. So what I'm first going to start off by doing is from the Scandalous palette. I'm going to be using this bright pink, and I'm going to place it all along the balls of my eyelids. Applying the pink on the balls of my eye, I'm going to go ahead and take Goldenrod by MAC. I'm going to use a crease pencil brush. I'm going to take that into the crease. After I'm done putting the yellow in the crease, I'm going to take a 212 MAC SE brush, and I'm going to use MAC Fresh Water, and I'm going to place that above the crease and make it kind of a cut crease, and I'm going to bring it down all the way down into the inner tear duct. On both sides, I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm going to take the white and I'm just going to underline the blue and take it all the way into the inner corners. I just went ahead and lined the bottom of the blue with the white, and now I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to use Carbon. I'm going to follow the exact line of the white. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take Goldenrod again, and I'm going to bring it under the black, just on the inner corners. Okay, now I'm going to go and take this pink again, and I'm going to line along the black and bring it down in front of the yellow, fan it out at the ends. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take Fresh Water and a 217 blender brush, and I'm going to put the blue all right here and blend it down, the longest part being on this side, and then it working its way up, and it's shorter closer to the ear. And after you're done taking the blue to kind of make like a triangle shape upside down, now I'm going to take one of the light greens from the 88 palette. I'm going to use this one right there, and I'm just going to take that color and I'm going to apply it in between the pink and the blue. Okay, so I went ahead and blended the green in with the blue, and now what I'm going to take is a wisp brush, usually used for lashes, and I'm going to take that and put that in the Carbon from the black line. I'm going to take the brush and swoop it down to give it like a feather look. now gives the illusion of a feathered look. I'm going to go ahead and take the bright white. I'm going to use a 217 blender brush. Apply it to my brow bone. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Humid from MAC and use the same 217 blender brush. Okay, so I just finished applying the green on the inner corners of my eyes. On top of Humid, I put the lighter green that I used from the 88 palette on top, and I feathered it out on the top of my forehead. Now what I'm going to do is this orange color. I'm going to outline the shape of the beak. This deep red. I'm going to outline the beak and blend the red in with the orange. Okay, now that I'm done eyelining my eyes, I also took the eyeliner and lined black under my eye as well so it stands out more. Now I'm going to take feathers. I have pink feathers. I just took them from a boa. I'm going to take them and line them all on my eyebrows and have them facing outwards. I put the pink feathers on my eyebrows. Now I'm going to put on eyelashes. Okay, so I just added the eyelashes and I went and put some pink feathers on top just to give it a little more color, and I'm gonna go finish and I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, I'm back. So this is my finished exotic bird look. I hope that you guys really like it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.